All right, so now we're gonna program at the door. Start with your Palm Pilot, okay? You hit start, utility software. I'm gonna put in the password. 1 second. Incorrect. Okay. So now we got it open. So what we're gonna do is, we want to take these fobs, okay? Use the red one. We're gonna put it here. Now the door needs to be unlocked to take care of this. So when we get our Christmas lights, and we put this in, okay? And that goes in. It's automatically gonna come up. Do you want to set the date and time? Yes. Provide a valid credential. The credential is the key, which we did, okay? Now this takes a couple tries usually. So it's gonna synchronize lock, okay? It failed, so we're gonna do it again. It takes about 3 tries to get it to go through all the way. So hold it in there again. Okay. Synchronizing lock. Okay. Okay. And now see how it says there was a green check mark. So now you know it's good. Okay, now you just want to double check. It works. Now after this, all you have to do is go back to the computer, hook this back into your Schlage program, go back and hit generate program files again, which was the same button that we used with the big green screen, and you'll be all set. That's it.